What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. I want you to know that the daily income system is not another MRR product. What it is an actual system that you can tap into that's going to teach you and show you how you can promote any affiliate marketing business that you are a part of. And it has an in-depth training that walks you step by step if you are willing to follow the step. So unlike the MRR products that are out there on the market, where you probably paying $900 to just the resale so you can make $900, this is not like that. You don't even have to promote daily income system if you don't want to. Okay, you can just get in it and use the training to promote whatever it is that you are a part of. Now I'm going to show you that when you get inside of this system, the actual training that you get is going to actually help you market or promote whatever it is that you're doing. So it doesn't make any difference. If you want to promote it, you can promote it. If you don't want to promote it, don't promote it. That's totally up to you. But I don't know why you wouldn't want to promote it, because I believe that once you see the training that is inside of this system, it's simply going to blow you away, because that's what it did with me. I joined this system simply because it had HBA involved in it. But once I got in the system and I looked at the training and the bonuses that were inside of this system, look, it had me locked, and I'm glad that I got in it, because I honestly believe that this could have really been sold for way more than $297. It could be sold for $697, and I would have paid it just to get access to the system. Okay, it's just that good to me. Now it may not be all of that to you, but to me it's just that good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through here and show you why I think it's so valuable. And if you want to earn the $200, you can promote it. And if you don't, hey, just get access to the system so you can start going through the training. And so I'm going to walk you step by step on why I think this is so valuable for you and why it is valuable to me. So let's go ahead on and get started right now. All right, here we go. So the first thing you see, the reason why I joined this is simply because, one, and this is not the number one reason, you earn instant commissions. So if you decide to promote it, you're going to earn instant commissions up front. You're just simply going to set up your how you want to get paid here: Stripe, Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, Zelle, Apple Cash, Chime, Wise, Crypto, or other. You can do that right here. The reason I got in it was simply because it has the Home Business Academy wrapped into this, okay? And they are recommending that we use the Home Business Academy funnel builder. Now, that is not to say that you have to use the Home Business Academy funnel builder. If you have a funnel builder that you love using, continue to use that. Just know that if you do decide to promote the daily income method, and the person you brings in decide that they want the Home Business Academy, but you want them to use something else, but if they get the Home Business Academy, then you won't earn a commission. And the Home Business Academy pays 80% commissions on the funnel builder, which means you earn $20 in residual income when somebody get the system. Now, over time, even if you don't make a sale in okay, the daily income method, what happens is, eventually, over time, you're going to recoup your $200 simply back from the funnel builder alone. And who's to say that when they get inside of the funnel builder or the HBA community, they may want the other products as well, okay? And all the other products pay 80% commissions as well. So keep that in mind. But if you can convince the person or the people that you get to sign up with them, okay, the daily income method, if you can convince them to use whatever system you're using outside of this, then that's good. That's great. You do not have to use the Home Business Academy. The fact that I've been with them so long, and hey, this is what I choose to use. But just know, if the person or people you bring in decide that they want the Home Business Academy and you're not a part of it, that commission is lost to you. Okay, so that's one of the reasons why I'm joined, and it teaches you how to connect everything down here at the bottom. The next thing I want to actually show you is, when we go down here, we're going to look at the products. I think this is really key. The daily income method training system right here. Look, let me just go back for a minute. Let me go back. When I just came here and just looked at all of this right here, it was worth it to me, because this training here alone is worth $500. Okay, they were selling this inside of another system, you know, that was helping the people in that system make more money. But this is an awesome training here. Okay, you have the welcome to the daily income method. Then you got the getting ready set up down here, all of this information down through here. You got module 2, endless prospect. I'm not gonna name everything right here, but you see it all. You can pause the video and look at it. Then under module 3, you have YouTube videos. You have all of this, setting up your YouTube account, which I believe is the best traffic source. You can do Facebook, you can do Instagram, you can do TikTok and all of that. Combine it, that's cool. But me, I love doing YouTube videos. So this is some training that I'm going through as well. So if you go into doing YouTube videos, cool, that's good. Module 4 is get a lead or sale, and now what? Got a lead or sale, and now what? Email cost effective of retargeting. Okay, all of that right there. Module 5 is recap, the full breakthrough. Then you have a bonus worksheets right here. And then you have the daily income method master class. So make sure you check that out right here. It just walks you through the entire process. So if we go back to products, the next thing I want you to look at is you get 100,000 faceless reels. So if you don't want to be on camera, you can use these reels in here, but I highly recommend that you get on camera yourself. Okay. And just start doing it. Get over your fear and start doing it. Okay. Now you're able to click here and download them. Everything right here. You can leave comment. You can download Canva to actually help you edit them. The next thing is the viral hook strip generator. This is a tool that's going to help you create your reels. You don't have to sit down and think about what to come up with. Just put the information in here. Go down through here and pick and choose. It's going to show you what it's going to spit out, what you want down here at the end. You can even do photo posts. It does not create photos for you, but you can do photo posts, what you would do on Facebook. Okay, so it's the same thing. You just come down here, you pick, and you pick, okay, and kind of keep it congruent when you're going through here, that when it spits out down here what you want, then you're going to be good to go. So that's the content generator. The next thing you're going to have is Facebook profile growth guide. This is Max showing you how he does things on Facebook. This is only 22 pages long, but the value of this is worth its weight in gold. Copy what Mac is doing and you can start seeing success on Facebook. And when you read this guide, he's going to tell you how he got over 1 million views on one of the posts that he made. Okay. The next one is the AI mastery. You're going to go through here and learn how to use AI to create stunning images for your profile, for your thumbnail, or whatever it is you want to use it for. Okay. So you have welcome to the clone yourself AI, what you'll need, module 2, module 3, AI modeling basic, module 4, scene creation magic, module 5, image editing and enhancement, and then you have opportunity to get into the MIT training group. Okay, so you have that, and then you have an ebook, a black book of email bonus right here. Okay, you can download these, you get access to all of these emails inside of here. So that's why, you know, I say this is not another master resale right product. You can promote it if you want to, or you don't have to promote it. That's totally up to you. I chose to promote it because I know a lot of people, you know, who are inside of the Home Business Academy that may want this. Now, I'm not reaching out to them personally because I would not do that. But if they happen to run across this video or see one of my Facebook posts or something, and hey, they decide they want it, then they can come on in and get it. That's totally up to them because they're already in HBA. Plus, they can use the $200 that they're earning through DIM, okay, or the daily method income system. They can use that money if they are purchasing traffic, okay, solo ads, Google ads, Bing ads, YouTube ads, whatever, okay, Reddit ads, whatever they're doing, they can use that as seed money to pay for traffic, or they can use that money also to pay for their monthly HBA membership. So you think about that. If you can earn $300 or $400 per month, that can cover your HBA membership. Really, $200 covered altogether, because it's like $160 a month if you have all three of HBA products. Okay, so think about that as well. That can cover your monthly cost. But if you already have members inside of the Home Business Academy that has all three products, guess what? They got you covered anyway. Now, this seed money is for you to do whatever you want to do with it. Purchase traffic or just stack it. Okay, that's totally up to you. Now, let's go back to the dashboard. You will see I have earned $400. I made 2 referrals. And I want to warn you, you have to be careful. You see this guy right here? He has not paid anything, okay? But he claimed he has. You have to be careful of people like that, okay, who claim they have paid but have not paid anything. So what am I going to do? Not received. And that's going to get him out of there until he come in and actually pay. Then I confirm him received. Okay. Now, another thing we have in here is the community. You can come in here and network with other people. If I click on Mac Mills, you can see what he's all about. Okay. Come back over here to the community. You can come down here and see other people inside of the community as well. People are joining every day. Okay, so it's working, and we have live training. We just had a mastermind today, which is the 11th. We had one on last Monday, and we will be holding these every Monday. So this is more than just a master resale rights, a MMR product. You can promote it if you want. You don't have to promote it. Okay, that's totally up to you. You can just come in here and do the training. That's up to you. Learn how to market any business that you are in. Okay, now if you want to get access to the daily income method system, just click the link that's in the description below, and I'll make sure you get started. When you join, contact me so I can come in and confirm you and get you going as soon as possible. If you need any help, you're able to reach out to me. So with that being said, I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.